Hello friends, welcome to the Code Generator. Myself Nandini and I'm back with a new topic for you today. So today we are going to learn switch statements in Java. So in this video we are going to learn what is exactly switch statement is. We are going to perform practical examples for this and I'm going to explain switch statement with the help of diagram also. So please watch this video till the end and let me know if you're having any doubts in the comment section. So let's begin. So Java switch statements. Use the Java switch statement to select one of many code blocks to be executed. What will be the syntax for this? So switch in the bracket expression whatever we want to write. In the curly braces, case X, it can be case 1. Then the code to be executed. Then case 2 or case Y and the code to be executed and break. And the last one will be default. So let's move with the switch statement, how switch statement works. The switch expression is evaluated once. The value of expression is compared with the value of each case. If there is a match, the associated block of code is executed. The break and default keywords are optional. There can be one or n number of case values for switch expression. The case value must be of switch expression type only. The, the case value must be literal or constant. It doesn't allow variables. Then the case values must be unique. In case of duplicate value, it renders compile time error. I repeat, please remember this point. The case values must be unique. In case of duplicate value, it renders compile time error. So please, case should be unique. Case value should be unique, remember. And the last point is the Java switch expression must be of byte, short, int, long with wrapper types. With its wrapper type, enums or strings. So if it is not understandable, I'll explain with the help of switch statement. Okay, the first one will be expression and it will check that expression with the case 1. If it is matched, it will print statement 1 and it will break the loop. Okay, the case 1 is not matched, then it will move to the case 2. If case 2 is matched with the expression, it will print statement 2 and it will break the loop. Okay, unfortunately, the case 2 is also not matched. If then it will move to the case 3 and like that we will have n number of cases. And the last one will be default value and it will print the statement, the default statement it will break. If expression doesn't find, it is not able to find from all these cases, it will jump to the default one. So this was the diagram for this switch statement. It can be easily understandable. So let's move with the example. Okay, let's see with the example practically. Okay, we should write this in main method. Yeah. Then, for example, int day is equal to 3. So that means I have initialized variable day as 3 and I would like to start with switch and my expression will be day. So the first case will be, I'll say if the expression is case 1, then it should print Monday. Okay, and then break. Break will break this case 1. So like that we can have 7 cases because in our week there are only 7 days. So I'm just copying this in order to save our time. Okay, so it will be 2 Monday, then Tuesday, then case 3 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Okay, if my spelling will be wrong, please ignore that. Okay, case 4 Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday. Okay, your my spelling is wrong. 5 Friday, case 5 6 Saturday. Okay, then last will be case 7, but not the least, that is Sunday, which is very, very important for us. In every week, I literally wait for these 2 days. Okay, and last one will be default, which is optional, but it is very, very useful. I'll tell you why it is useful in the further video. And I'll say this out. What I can print anything. So I'll say code generator, simply code generator. So you can write anything. Okay. Okay. Let's understand this program first. I said I have initialized day is equal to 3, and I have given day as expression for this switch statement. Then what do you think? What will happen? Day is equal to 3. That means the value of day is 3. It means that it will search for case 3. And the case 3 is system.out.println Wednesday. So it will print Wednesday. So let's see for this. So this is the Wednesday. Yep. So let's move with the next. Okay. The break keyword. Even if the break was optional, but why we should use break keyword? So when Java reaches a break keyword, it breaks out the switch block. This will stop the execution of more code and case testing inside the block. And in this example itself, we saw what is happening exactly. I have mentioned expression as day and value of day is 3. So the case 3 is matched with our expression. Then what it did? It directly breaks out from this switch loop, and rest of the code will be skipped. So like that, break statement is very, very important. Okay. When match is found and the job is done, it's time for a break. There is no need for more testing. So why should we waste the time? Like that. And one note, please remember, a break can save a lot of execution time, as I already said, because it ignores the execution of all rest of the code in the switch block, as we did in our program, in our example. Okay, so let's move with the next, that is the default keyword. Why the default keyword is used? So let's see practically. For example, I'll just change in this program itself. Okay, and I'll just change this value as 4. Fine. So what is exactly here it is happening? I have mentioned I have initialized day is equal to 4. So in the switch loop, it will search for case 4. But if it is not able to find case 4 or there is no case 4 exist, then it will directly print code generator. That means it will directly jump to the default one. So let's see for the output. Okay, Yeah, so I was right. It started searching for day is equal to 4, but there was no 4. There is no case 4. Then it jumped to the default statement and it prints code generator. So yep, let's move. So that's it for the day. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any question, you can find me at codegenerator1115 on the Instagram, or you can drop me a mail on pythoncode1115@gmail.com, or very simple way. You can drop a comment in the below comment section if you're having any doubts. I'll explain there itself. I'll solve your doubt there itself. So thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next video. Bye bye.